Stop scrolling. If you use WhatsApp, you're a target. Hackers don't need your password. They just need one mistake. I'm dropping 10 fast fixes you can do right now to lock it down. Let's go. Fast fix 1. Lock your SIM. Set a SIM pin with your carrier. If a hacker clones your SIM for a SIM swap, your code text won't save them. Fast fix 2. Turn on two-step verification in WhatsApp. Settings account. Two-step verification. Enable pick a 6-digit PIN. Add an email you control. This is your second lock. Fast fix 3. Kill code phishing. Never share the 6-digit WhatsApp code with anyone. Friends support giveaway teams. If someone asks for it, that's your red flag. Fast fix 4. Lock WhatsApp with biometrics. Settings privacy screen. Lock Face ID, Touch ID, fingerprint so nobody opens chats if they grab your phone. Fast fix 5. Audit your linked devices. Settings linked devices. If you don't recognize something, tap it and log it out. Do this weekly. Fast fix 6. Stop fake support scams. WhatsApp will never DM you asking for your code or PIN. No blue check, no help. If it feels urgent, slow down. Fast fix 7. Weaponize your PIN. Make your two-step PIN unique. Not your birthday, not 103456. Never store it in screenshots or chats. Use a password manager instead. Fast fix 8. Hide personal data. Settings privacy. Last seen profile photo. About set to my contacts or nobody. Less info, nasarsh, fewer target angles. Fast fix 9. Clean your apps. Uninstall sketchy cleaners. Clones modded WhatsApp apps. Only use official WhatsApp and official app stores. Fast fix 10. Update everything. Update WhatsApp. Update phone OS. Update email patches. Fix exploits fast. Don't be the last to update. Bonus recovery plan if you're already compromised. Reclaim your number. Reinstall WhatsApp. Verify with your SIM ASAP. Use your two-step PIN. This blocks the attacker even if they have your code. If your email got the two-step reset link, revoke it. Change that email's password. Kick out devices. Settings. Link devices. Log out all. Alert your contacts not to trust messages from you. Speed round red flags. Friends asking for a code, sudden contest. Wins urgent invoices, links needing verification. Tap nothing. Do these 10 fixes today and you're miles safer than most users. If you need hands-on help recovering an account or hardening security, send us a message for professional assistance. Check the video description or the pinned comment to contact our professional recovery team. Stay sharp, stay private.